Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and of course, if you are just joining for the first time, kindly give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with families and friends so that they too can also benefit from it. Okay, and of course guys, these are the trading assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It actually went on downtrend, which came to an end at this support zone. Okay, it picked up a buy trend from there, was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so had a pullback and played around there for a while, but right from there it went back up, and of course it has got into the resistance zone again. It has not been able to break out from there, but once it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and it has been purely on downtrend for a very long time, and of course it got to the support zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so it's trying to buy from there. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity because it is at a major support zone, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to keep on selling. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for long. It had a major pullback around there, but still went down to break out below that support zone, and of course it is at another support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but at the moment it is still selling. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It went on uptrend right from this support zone, and it came to an end at this resistance zone, so right now it is selling at the moment. Okay, it had been on downtrend for a very long time, right from this resistance zone down to this support zone, and it's trying to see if it will break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but at the moment it is still selling. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and you can see it selling, got to this support zone, had a major pullback, and of course was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it sold for a while and played around the market around there, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.